Do you think it's possible to make a viral video in just 60 seconds? And what's more, all of this is possible thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Before, to make just one video you had to spend whole nights filming and editing, right? But now, those days are over. InVideo AI, which turns text into video, is changing the game in the content industry. Simple ideas quickly turn into professional, ready-to-use videos. How is this possible? I'm going to explain everything in detail now. Let's explore InVideo's text-to-video feature, turning ideas into video stories. Log into your InVideo account to begin. Click the text-to-video button on the dashboard to start creating. Type in your video idea. The more specific, the better the AI will understand. Pick a template that fits your style. InVideo has thousands of ready-made templates for many uses. Pick the video size you want. Choose horizontal, square, or vertical based on the platform. Click Create Video. The AI will automatically make a storyboard. From here, you can freely change the video to your liking. Even after you've exported the video, you can go back to InVideo and change the parts you want. That's the amazing power of InVideo's text-to-video feature. It's fast, flexible, and fun to create. And now, let's find out why creators all over the world love InVideo, and take a closer look at its amazing features. When we dive into InVideo's unique tools and features, you'll understand why this platform is perfect for making your videos. It's like the Swiss Army knife of video creation. There are over 5,000 ready-to-use templates that you can use to fit any industry or situation. Whether it's for a marketing video, educational content, or a personal project, we have templates for everything you can imagine. All these templates are easy to change, which lets you make professional videos in a flash. It's like wearing a custom-made suit, comfy and stylish. Marketers can use InVideo to make eye-catching ads or social media videos in just a few minutes. This boosts response rates and sales. With InVideo, you can make exciting videos fast, saying goodbye to long hours of work. You'll see results right away. You can use over 9 million high-quality video clips, images, and music without limits. All the stuff is in InVideo's library, so no need to search on many sites. Find the perfect video and audio to make your work better. It's like a never-ending treasure chest. Teachers also use InVideo to make fun educational videos and explanations. This makes hard subjects easy to understand and gets students more interested. With InVideo, you can quickly make animated textbooks. Learning this way will be really fun, won't it? Artificial intelligence creates the scripts and picks the right scenes, making storytelling easy. AI tools help you with your work, letting you create interesting stories fast. From writing the scripts to picking the scenes, it's easy and handy, like a close friend helping you out. Businesses can also easily make training videos, product demos, and internal announcements. They can make clear, fast, and handy videos for everyone, saving time and money. This will make business communication and training smoother. Isn't that a real boost in how well things work? With advanced editing tools, cutting, splitting, and merging video clips has become super easy. You can control them however you want with simple actions, so anyone, whether they're an expert or a beginner, can use them easily. It's so simple to use, it's like adding and subtracting. Creators say, thanks to InVideo, our work speed has become much faster and really easier. See the efficiency and convenience that our users are proud of. With InVideo, video creation will become easy, like you've found a treasure. You can easily add animated text, stickers, and overlays to make your videos even more impactful. You can grab viewers' attention with impressive production. InVideo also offers a variety of animation sources to make your videos better. It really makes a big difference. There's also lots of feedback like, I was surprised how professional the video I made looked, even without any video editing experience. You can make great videos without needing hard skills. With InVideo, anyone can make amazing videos. Don't worry, even if you're new to video, you can easily make videos for your own brand by picking the logo, colors, and fonts. Branding tools are also available, letting you include a consistent look in all your videos. It's perfect for those who want to show off their brand's personality. You can arrange everything in a neat way. Compared to old ways of editing, InVideo can greatly cut down work time, and you don't need expensive software. Costs can be saved by doing everything on one platform. InVideo is a new way and a new path to the old methods. You could say it's a real game changer. You can add voiceovers easily and pick an AI voice. Of course, you can also record yourself. You can easily add professional sound just like a phone call. Your projects are safely stored in the cloud. They are automatically saved and your personal information is kept safe. You can use them with confidence because your valuable videos are protected. InVideo is like a safe for your ideas. There's no problem for teamwork and sharing projects in real time. Everyone can make videos together, no matter where they are. InVideo makes teamwork stronger and makes video creation easier for any team, big or small. It's like an orchestra working in perfect harmony. You can join the global community of creators to share your work and get ideas from others. You can connect with video lovers to swap ideas and learn from talented people. InVideo is a place that connects everyone, a network where people who want to change the world meet. You can export high-quality 4K videos without a watermark if you're a subscriber. You can make perfect videos with brilliant quality. With InVideo, you can always keep the highest quality. InVideo is always getting better and its features are updated. It quickly reacts to new tech and trends. InVideo will always give you the newest and easiest to use tools. Customer support is available 24/7 and there's an active creator community. You can get instant help if you run into problems and get lots of information. With InVideo, you can be sure that you're not alone. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, anyone can make videos easily with InVideo. No matter your skill level, you can turn your ideas into reality. It's easy and clear to use, just like the multiplication table. It's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, teachers, business owners, and many others. InVideo offers solutions that fit different industries and needs. Join the growing world of pros and make your videos better with InVideo. It's a versatile platform that can be used in any situation. You can save money and use your time for more creative work. The important thing is your ideas. No need to go over budget for that. InVideo is a budget-friendly creative tool. It will really be helpful. Save time and money by automating video creation. The powerful automation features will make your work much easier. With InVideo, you can make videos faster and better. Time is money. There's lots of feedback like, I made my first video in less than 10 minutes. InVideo is really awesome. See the speed and ease of use that will amaze everyone. With InVideo, high-quality videos are done in a flash. It's like a dream, isn't it? Imagine how happy the client will be when they see the final video. The client will be very happy with results that go beyond what they expected. With InVideo, you can make videos that will impress everyone. In short, InVideo lets you have speed, quality, and creative freedom just using your browser. You can get to the tools and materials you need anytime, anywhere, and on any device. InVideo offers an easy and handy video creation experience, just like online shopping. They say there are people who automatically clench their fists when the results show up. You can get people excited through the power of video and make a positive change. InVideo supports video creation that encourages everyone's passion and achievements. It's a place where honesty communicates. InVideo is used by over 7 million creators in 195 countries. Make sure to join the global community of video lovers. InVideo is a trusted platform that supports creators all over the world. You could say it's a global thing. Become colleagues with successful video creators who trust InVideo every day. You can keep getting better at your skills with lots of courses and materials. InVideo gives you all the tools and knowledge to help with your video creation. Your path to becoming a video star starts here. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, with InVideo, you can make videos in a totally different way. Let all your ideas loose to make the video you want. InVideo is a platform for all skill levels. It's fine if you start with no knowledge at all. And now, let's turn your ideas into videos. Start today and see the wonders of InVideo for yourself. With InVideo, your ideas come to life instantly. It's really easy. In short, InVideo is a place where fast, high-quality videos can be made freely from your browser. It's efficient, surprising, and flexible. InVideo is a complete service that has everything you need for video creation. It's truly a full suite. Well, let's start making our first video now. Keep trying and discover InVideo's endless possibilities. We're really excited to see your ideas come to life. Ready, set, go! Want to experience the magic of InVideo for yourself? Click the link below and try out the text to video feature yourself. Join millions of creators and change the way you create today. Don't delay. Click the link below now and start making amazing videos with InVideo. With InVideo AI, your ideas turn into videos in a flash. All you have to do is prepare the idea or text, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Need a video for a product, or an explainer video, or maybe a short video to go viral on social media? Just type what you want to do and the AI will handle the rest. In just seconds, you'll have a complete video with music, transitions, and amazing video effects. No need to be a video editing expert. All you need are your creative ideas. InVideo brings your ideas to life with millions of resources and thousands of templates you can use. The video quality, it will always be the best. More than 7 million content creators from 195 countries use InVideo. Before, it took a whole team to make a video. Now it's just a few clicks. Discover the magic of video creation with InVideo AI. Click the link below and get started now.